work orders shouldn't require much work. Hi, this is Ray, your SM2 superfan, and today's topic is work orders, work orders, work orders. I've spoken to a number of maintenance managers and mechanics over the years, and one complaint that kept coming back was the fact that their preventive maintenance software made it at least somewhat hard and tedious to create and manage work orders. And there's no way around it. The work order is one of the most basic objects maintenance staff has to deal with on a daily basis. And this is where SM2 Maintain shines yet again. One awesome thing about work orders in SM2 is that you're never more than a couple of clicks away from either creating a new work order or work on an existing one. You can do that right from any dashboard set up to have either vehicles or work orders. I can go to this dashboard, go into the work orders panel, click here, and I have the option to edit, close, and print the selected work order. If I'm viewing a list of vehicles in the Vehicles tab, I can simply click the same icon here, and again I have the option to create a new work order for this particular unit. Obviously, you can create a work order completely from scratch by going to the Maintenance tab, selecting Work Orders, and hitting the little plus icon. Of course, in this case, you would have to manually put in all the info and add the tasks yourself as you go along, but you can do it if you need to. Another way you can create work orders is by going to the PM status screen, where, for instance, you can view a list of all units that have maintenance plans assigned to them. SM2 uses different triggers like time passed, mileage, and engine hours, which it can capture automatically should you go with that option, to move maintenance plans along. So here we have a list of vehicles with color codes indicating how far along they are before their next maintenance recall. Gray means everything's okay, blue means almost due, yellow means it is due now, and red means overdue. Let's see, Unit 2428 is way past due for 2 maintenance recalls, so let's create a work order for this one, which seems to be an annual inspection. I click the little gear and I select New Work Order. Here we go. A lot of the fields like vehicle ID, date, and work type are pre-filled. This section lists all the plans and jobs associated with this unit with the correct plan and jobs already selected. Now I hit Next. As we saw before, this is an inspection recall, so we have a whole checklist we go through with different boxes like OK, No, and a few other ones, along with a comment field for each task. Notice that you always have the option to add extra tasks along the way, should you decide to do some extra work while you have the vehicle inside the garage or maintenance bay. Of course, once you've created a work order, you can modify, close, and print it super easily as we saw before. To put it in a nutshell, we've made work orders as easy to create and work with as humanly possible. Work orders are an integral part of maintenance, and creating and modifying them shouldn't require jumping through all kinds of hoops. You've now seen how easily and quickly you can create work orders in SM2 Maintain, so contact us today to learn more. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep it efficient.